Timmy, don't touch that pot. It's bubbling hot. It'll sting a lot. Mama's gonna catch you.
Long time ago in Jamaica, Saturdays were times of tradition and hard work for all children. Every Saturday morning, they would come together, not just to play, but to enjoy the day as well. Hello, just remember to like and subscribe to this channel. I am consistently developing content for your enjoyment, and just like and of course share and subscribe if you have not done so to this channel. Thanks. Okay, now let's get back to our story. It was a routine that everyone looked forward to, a time when the household was bustling with activities. The day would start early, with children getting up at the crack of dawn. Their first task was to ensure that the house was spotless. They would scrub the red oak floor until they were shined. And of course, this meant hard work. They would use coconut brushes to ensure that they were bright and brilliant. And of course, they would also buff it with a piece of cloth that always had the red oak filtered on it. This was a time when polishing the floors was a serious chore. And of course, you had a competition in the district. Everyone took pride in how bright their floor would be and how they would work to ensure that this was established. While children were busy with their chores, their mothers would get ready to go to the market. The market was a place to get the freshest fruits and meats. At the market, mothers would buy beef bones, pumpkin, tomatoes, and all the ingredients they needed for the week ahead. Everything was fresh and vibrant, and people from all over would bring their produce to the market to be sold. In St. Elizabeth, people bring their fresh scallions on time, which was essential for any Jamaican cooking. The market was more than just a place to buy food. It was a social hub where people met, talked, and exchanged the latest news. So anytime Mom went to the market, she was actually looking for someone she met the week before or a close friend. Back at home, the children knew they had to finish their chores before their mothers came. Many places had large outside kitchens, and some of these places were the cooking area. And of course, children had the responsibility to clean this area and get ready for the soup day. Yes, a big pot of soup that would be made that day. Saturdays were soup days, a tradition that everyone looked forward to, and this was deemed as healthy. They would prepare everything meticulously. And of course, when the mother came home, the meat had to be cleaned when she arrived. And of course, chicken feet and dumpling and yam and pumpkin should be all ready to go when the pot was set up. However, there was this particular child, as in every community, who just loved to eat. His name was Timmy. He was always excited about the soup that his mother made, full of flavor and cooked to perfection with all the right seasonings. Timmy, however, had a mischievous streak. He never waited for the pot of soup to be ready or fully cooked. One Saturday morning, as the soup pot slowly simmered and was filling the air with its delicious aroma, Timmy couldn't resist. His mother stepped out for something, leaving the pot unattended. Hungry, unable to wait any longer, Timmy grabbed a fork and sneakingly lifted the lid off the pot. He quickly snatched a dumpling, but as he was closing the pot, it made a clinging sound. His mother, suspecting something was amiss, called out, "Who dat in the kitchen?" Timmy, caught off guard, hurriedly put the hot dumpling in his front pants pocket and began to act innocent. He was moving a bit. His mother then entered the kitchen and saw him standing there looking guilty. She noticed his nervous demeanor and his hand touching his pocket. Suspicious, she walked over and pressed her hand on his pocket. The dumpling was still piping hot. Timmy jumped out a loud scream and ran out of the house yelling, "I don't eat the dumpling, I don't eat the dumpling, Mama, me never mean to do it." He was so taken aback as the dumpling burned his leg. Yelling, he wasn't hungry anymore and he would not do it again. He rolled over and, as a matter of fact, he jumped into the little well they had outside. Other children, hearing the commotion, gathered around to find out what had happened. Timmy's mother explained that he had tried to sneak a dumpling out of the pot. As punishment, Timmy wasn't allowed to have any more dumplings that day. Instead, he was given a piece of yam, some dasheen, and a piece of potato, which he did not enjoy because he was a cornmeal dumpling sort of person. The incident taught Timmy a valuable lesson about patience and fairness. From that day, he never tried to sneak food out again. He waited patiently for the soup pot to be ready, savoring the delicious meal along with everyone else. This story of Saturday traditions, market days, and healthy meals is a cherished part of Jamaica's culture. It highlights the importance of family, hard work, and the joy of sharing a meal together. For the younger generation, it's a reminder of the rich traditions that have shaped their heritage. And for those who remember those days, it's a time just to relax and remember. So take care and remember the lessons of patience and fairness, and cherish the cultural traditions that make us who we are. Remember to like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.
Timmy, don't touch that pot. It's bubbling hot. It'll sting a lot. Mama's gonna catch you. She's watching non-stop. Just let it simmer. Don't give it a thought. Timmy, listen up. Don't be a fool. The soup's on fire. It ain't cool. Mama's got eyes like a hawk. She'll catch you in a pool, so keep your hands off. Stay in the school. Just let it simmer. Let it simmer. Let it simmer. Don't be the chicken. Don't be the winner. The soup's got flavor like a tropical spinner. Calypso being cooking. Dinner's getting dinner. Calypso be Timmy, don't touch that pot. It's bubbling hot. It'll sting a lot. Mama's gonna catch you. She's watching non-stop. Just let it simmer. Don't give it a thought. Timmy, listen up. Don't be a fool. The soup's on fire. It ain't cool. Mama's got eyes like a hawk. She'll catch you in a pool, so keep your hands off. Stay in the school. Just let it simmer. Let it simmer. Let it simmer. Don't be the chicken. Don't be the winner. The soup's got flavor like a tropical spinner. Calypso being cooking. Dinner's getting dinner. Calypso be cooking. Dinner's getting thinner.